We are back. Hello everyone. Welcome back to another video. 2020 is almost over. It's been a very challenging year for everyone. However, I was lucky enough to still, able to ride my motorbike and explore different countries. So I decided why I don't look back to my top 5 best rides of 2020. Let's go. In this video, I will explain you why I really like those roads and what really special about them. I will also give you a little bit of context of why and when I was there. And finally, also a little bit of historic background, which is always good to know. I guess it's time to start. Number 5, Mangat. The Mangat Saddle. It's the highest lying road in Slovenia. Is located in a national park called Triglav National Park. Driving up route 203 from Bovec, as soon as we turn right onto the route 902, the road is start getting extremely narrow and just wide enough to get 2 cars on the same line. In 2019 we paid €5 to get up. For several kilometers you wind your way up through a forest, which is actually pretty nice. Once the 3 lines ends, you start feeling that this is a different road and it is a unique road. It's very narrow, it's very sketchy in some points, I have to be honest. In less than 12 kilometers this road climbs 980 meters. And it's insane, across through probably 5 or 6 tunnels. So while I was riding up, I was like, ooh, how the hell did they build this road and why? And the reason is that the Italian army built that road in 1938 as a part of its defense against the Yugoslav army. We were really lucky, there were not a lot of cars, but I guess if you go in summer, there are a lot of cars. It's not really probably enjoyable because it's very narrow, so you need to be careful. It's definitely not a road to go fast and ride fast. It's just to enjoy the panorama and the spectacular views that this road provides. So once you get on the Mangat Saddle at the top, at almost 2,000 meters elevation, you have the option to hike or climb to the summit. Obviously we couldn't do it because the weather was so bad. It was really windy. So we just really went up for a second, take a couple of pictures and then down because it was raining. It wasn't a nice experience in terms of weather. But the views are insane. You're surrounded by the Julian Alps. It's a very scenic road, and I will definitely recommend it. If you're around Slovenia, that region itself, it's really beautiful and deserves a visit. Okay, number 4. This is a big one. This is one of my favorite by far because the place where it's located is magical. Sella Pass, or Passo Sella for my Italian friends. This is an iconic pass located in the Dolomites. It connects Val Gardena to Canazei, so 2 different towns. The pass itself, it's 53 kilometers long. The road was built in 1872, and then three mountain huts follow, which are still open. With Pordoi Pass, with Gardena Pass, and with Campolongo Pass, forms the really popular Sella group. Saslong. That's Passo Sella in between. Then you have Pitzboe, that big table mountain. During winter you can actually ski around it. It's called Sella Ronda. It's paradise for skiers, for winter lovers in general, for motorcyclists and for cars and for everyone that loves the mountains. I mean, the Dolomites are unique. Ciao. Ciao. We did 1 weekend over there with my girlfriend always. It's unbelievable. The views while driving, I've never seen anything like that. Only issue now is that it can get really crowded and really busy, so the roads can be really even sketchy and dangerous because there's a lot of traffic. So a lot of motorcycles and a lot of cars, you just need to enjoy the roads, the views, don't rush. The maximal altitude you will get here is 2,200 meters, and I mean you're surrounded by these massive and majestic mountains that we are used to see them on Instagram or photos, but when you're actually close to them, it's another experience, and it's quite magical, and I have to say that. Probably the best moments to visit the pass is early summer, so June, May, and then late summer, so September, October max. You could already have snow. Let's go to number 3, always in Italy, this one, Alghero Bosa, Sardinia. Well, we need to first of all mention that Sardinia is probably the best place I've ever ridden my motorbike. Many reasons for this. Huge variety of terrains. You can go off-road, you can do gravel road, you can do hard enduro, you can do tarmac, you can do sand, everything. Then you have insane panoramas, the ocean, cliffs, mountains, like it's unbelievable because the island is pretty big. So we did a road trip circling around the island. It took us 12 days roughly, and really the panoramas, the views, everything changes. You never get bored because it's not always the same thing that you look at. And Alghero Bosa is obviously one of the highlights of the trip. It's a 45 kilometers long road that connects the town of Alghero, a small corner of Catalonia in Sardinia, and Bosa, an ancient, picturesque town on the river. Both of them are very characteristic and very unique and different. This is Provincial Road 105. As soon as you leave Alghero, you will find yourself on a winding mountainside road with views ahead of breathtaking mountains to see. And it's a silver strip between sea and mountain, and an arena of incredible views. And it is because you have also spots along the coast where you can stop, enjoy the panorama, fly the drone as I did. And obviously we did that around, I think, 5 p.m., 6 p.m. So sunset was coming in, and colors, lights, insane. Very fun, very fast. You can drive really fast there. The tarmac is perfect. I guess this is well known by all Italian motorcyclists. But if you're watching me and you're watching me from another country, make sure you come to Sardinia because it's definitely worth it. Number 2, Northamstrasse. This is a special road for me because it's one of the first time that I actually went by myself on a motorcycle ride. I remember because I did a trip by myself around Austria, and one of the roads that I wanted to stop by was Northamstrasse. Unfortunately, I've actually realized that the road is closed. So yeah, unfortunately, the road is up there. I have a lot of friends that live in Austria, motorcyclists, but also cyclists. They love that road and they all told me, you need to go there, you need to go there. First of all, we need to see where it is located because it's quite a unique place. And if you're riding around Austria, that part of the country, it's got incredible roads. You can also connect Grosslochner, Northamstrasse, Villach Alpenstrasse, so they're all quite close to each other. And I think the cost is roughly 15 euros or 20 euros, I don't really remember now. It's 34 kilometers long. The road is built on the Nochberge, which is a mountain chain in Carinthia region in Austria. The Biosphere Reserve Nochberge, which became a UNESCO Heritage Site in 2012, is the centerpiece of the mountain range, which stretches across the Austrian provinces of Carinthia, Salzburg and Styria, through 52 bends and numerous turns with gentle incline. I was shocked because I've never seen anything like this. I think in Italy we have a lot of incredible roads, but this one was special. I don't know, maybe because there was not a lot of people. There were a couple of motorcyclists, but it really seems to be in a Disney movie with everything looks perfect, greener. It's a constant up and down, and it's not like a normal pass that you will go up at one side and then down on the other side. No, you have a couple of uphill and downhill in between, so the views and the panoramas constantly change, and you don't really, you feel that you're driving in something that, oh my god, what's next? So it's really beautiful. In terms of speed and etc., I don't know, I mean, I think you can go fast, you can ride and enjoy, obviously respecting a little bit limits, and also the other people that are on the road, because it can be dangerous, obviously. I've never done Grosslochner yet, so I think for now this is my favorite road in Austria. by far, for views and everything. So if you guys have been to Grossglockner and you've been to both, please comment below and let me know if you think that Grossglockner is better, or Villa Harpestrasse is better, or there's something more, something better in there. Now it's time for number one, guys. Number one. And this is double S 126. Sardinia. It's a road that connects Guspini to Iglesias, and we did that always doing a road trip across Sardinia. I did it twice. So this is my reaction after the first time that I did it. After an incredible road, I will tell you the name of that road tomorrow, because we're gonna be doing it again. And this is the second day reaction when I did it the second time. This is by far the best road that I've ridden my bike on. I don't know how many turns and corners are in there. The asphalt is great condition. I will definitely recommend anyone to not eat before doing that, because really it's a constant boom, 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 right, left, right, left, right, left, and it's, yeah, unbelievable. And I think the main reason why I picked this one is just really the enjoyment of doing that. Even if I was with a big, my motorbike is a big Maxi Enduro adventure bike, so you think that it's going to be a bit tricky because the corners are very fast, but so enjoyable. The cool thing about that road is that it connects Guspini from Iglesias, but you can reach also amazing beaches using that road. One of them is Scivu Beach, or Spiaggia di Scivu, incredible. Then you have Piscinas, Dunas de Piscinas, where you have like sand dunes and etc. So it's not far away from there. Then you can get to Bugerru, which is great for, if you love surf, a typical ocean type of beach. And then you can also get to Spiaggia di Cala Domestica. So they're all next to that main road. So you need to exit that to get to those amazing places. You can see also Pan di Zucchero. And this is it, guys. So this is my top 5 road and rides of 2020. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what's your top 5 in the comments below, and let me know if you did some of the roads that I mentioned in this video. Remember to subscribe and support the channel. I have a little surprise for you right now. Exactly. I changed my motorbike, so in 2021, I will try my best to do more off-road, more for riding, not only that. So we'll keep creating content for you guys, and thanks a lot for the support this year, and see you in the next video. Ciao.